Meaning of hushed.
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 Hushed. The word hushed is typically used to describe a state of quietness or silence, often in an atmosphere of reverence or respect. It can also refer to a feeling of secrecy or confidentiality. For example, a hushed audience might be one that has fallen completely silent and attentive, as if waiting for something important to happen. Similarly, a hushed conversation might suggest a sense of solemnity or intimacy, with both participants speaking in hushed tones to avoid being overheard by others. In general, the use of hushed evokes a sense of stillness and concentration, often in anticipation of something significant.